Eminent dance scholar Sunil Kothari died at 87. The Sangeet Natak Academy Fellow blazed a new trail in documenting the Indian classic dance forms. Eminent dancer, scholar, and critic Sunil Kothari, 87, passed away on Sunday morning in a private hospital in the Delhi because of the COVID-19 related complications. A Sangeet Natak Academy Fellow, Kothari blazed a new trail in documenting Indian classical dance forms. Born in Kheda district of Gujarat, Kothari qualified as a chartered accountant and taught in Mumbai Sydenham College for a brief while before turning to dance studies. He completed his PhD on dance drama traditions of South India and Natya Shastra in 1977 from MS University, Baroda. He was awarded Dr. Lit by he was awarded a doctorate literate by Rabindra Bharati University for his research on dance sculptures in medical temples of North Gujarat. With a photographic memory and an insatiable quest for knowledge, Kothari travelled to every nook and corner of the country to document both celebrated and less known performers. He remained the quintessential Sunil Bhai to a generation of exponents, always accessible, always encouraging. He was always seen on the talking a twirl with a dancer, try out a dance movement in a workshop, and punctuate an academic paper presentation with a brief demonstration himself. The fact that he spent hours learning Bharatanatyam from T.P. Kuppaya Pillai and Kathak from Pandit Badri Prasad gave him the confidence that many of his contemporaries lacked. In the league of archivists and scholars like T.K. Govind Vidyarthi and Mohan Kohar, Kothari researched and recorded the journey of Indian dance forms, how they took shape, blossomed, and survived the colonial rule. With 20 odd books to his credit as a dance historian, Kothari focused on anecdotal accounts. Dr. Padma Shri winner wrote extensively on Bharatanatyam, Kathak, and Manipuri dance forms. His scholarly work are Satriya, classical dance of Assam, helped in creating a better understanding of the dance form in the national and global circuit. His other notable contributions include new directions in Indian dance and Kuchipudi, Indian classical dance art. Also unforgettable are his lucid pieces knitting past and present trends in dance forms. In the leading newspapers, including the Hindu, Kothari was instrumental in establishing the School of Arts and Aesthetics at the Jawaharlal Nehru University and mentored many art scholars. While documenting any art form, he inspired students to follow a people's first approach to understand the artist and their passion for the art first, said arts writer Srinika Sahai, a student of Kothari at JNU. Veteran Kathak exponent Geetanjali Lal, a neighbor of Kothari in the Asian Games village, said he devoted his entire life to the dance. So it is very painful for our India for the loss of such an eminent dance scholar Sunil Kothari, who who has blazed a new trail in documenting the Indian classical dance forms. A tribute to him. Thank you.